Don's Manufactory. I am on the road this morning driving to Ridge Motorsports Park up in Washington. I'm going to meet up with FootageFactory up there, and we're going to go over some video protocols and other stuff. Anyway, so here I am, just cruising down the road. Oh boy, somebody jumped the gun. Let's go back and look at that. Watch these two guys right here. Yep. Now they totally, see, they're moving right before everyone else. Pretty sure they got a penalty for that. Hey, and then, hey, what's with this yellow? Look how slow he's getting off the line. And by this point, he's already lost 5 positions. Just like drag racing, the first 60 feet is everything. Okay, let's watch some more racing.
That's what he did. So for Matthew now, he's just going to get locked in, try to do these 42s as consistent as he can. But man, the number 70 of Ty Scott is going nowhere. Making a transition from left to right, very active with his feet on the ball from the legs. You saw Matthews come off there, and they are starting to on this lap. You see that
obviously see changes for Beaubier. And right now, early days in this race, it's paying off.
Well, that said, I will tell you this, but I do not. That doesn't really exploit its best feature. He's very fast. He said the bike is so fast. He says when I get to a track like this, I will go
That's it for the races. It was fun. We made some contacts, shot some video. Now I think I'm going to snack a little bit and drink a little bit, and then I'll have to get on the road back to Portland. It's 145 miles or so home. Thanks for watching Don's Manufactory. Catch you later.